Hey plant friends, so I just boxed up some plants that I'm going to be sending to my mom and my friend. They live in Nebraska and Iowa respectively, but I just wanted to kind of show how I boxed them up. They were all succulents, so they're all super hardy. I don't have to really worry about them drying out too much, and with the USPS shutdown and slowdown, I'm not really gonna have to worry about these guys like shriveling up and dying like I would for a more delicate plant like my begonia pavonina. So I kind of wanted to show that and give a few tips. One, tape down things that can move around. If the plants are taped down, they're not going to get as beat up. In the summer, I also wrap stuff in just plain tissue paper. It'll allow the plant to breathe. If there's any moisture left in the container that I'm shipping it in, it'll allow the plant to breathe. It's not going to suffocate the plant like planting it or like putting it in a plastic bag would. And my last tip is, I think that's number three, is to mail it on Monday, so that way it can take all week to get there. Sometimes it will take a little bit longer, but that's another reason to use the priority mailboxes. It does cost a bit more for shipping, but it's for the most part still more reliable than UPS and FedEx, and it's a lot cheaper. So support our mail system. Black Lives Matter. Please go vote. Do all of the things, and spread plants as gifts and spread the plant happiness. Okay, bye.